Hey guys, it's me, Nikos here, and today I'm gonna do my first unboxing video, and this is Hatsune Miku uh, Bunny Girl. Yeah, this is the bunny version one, and I was really excited because I just got it just now, and now I'm gonna unbox it. So yeah. So if you guys like it, so please do subscribe and like this video. And if you wanna watch my video too, like go ahead. So now I'm gonna open up these figures. Yeah, it's a pretty nice figures, and it's only cost like I don't know, like 25, $30. It was super cheap. And for a cheap figure that I can get is a bunny version, which is I really impressed. Like this is my first time unboxing, so yeah. Yeah, so I'm not very good in unboxing, so yeah, don't that keep that in mind. So on the inside the box, there's nothing right here. Yeah, a few picture of Hatsune Miku. Nice. I just like her leg. Like shit, the tie is so fucking good. And here is the figure. Like, oh wow. Okay, this is good. Alright. A lot of bubble wrapping. A lot of bubble wrapping. Like this is good packaging. I really love it. Wait a second. Oh boy, I can feel her leg. Like this is so fucking cool. Oh my god, look at that. Oh boy. Look at that. Look at so you have the sock? Oh boy. Man, this is good. Wait a second. Let me get the base. This is it. So this is the base. Here we go. And this is the ear. Very nice. And I guess the ear, yeah, you just slot in here. Alright, here we go. Look at that. How nice is it? Sorry about the focus. Yeah, don't mind it. The focus suck. Oh wait, the leg part. Okay. Alright. Okay, small. Oh yeah, here we go. Let's slot it in. Look at that. Look at how beautiful is it. Look at that. And okay, alright. So, alright, alright. I shit. So I know this video get demonetized or what, but just no, please don't. Okay, YouTube, just don't demonetize my video. And yeah, let's take a look. So again, give you another camera angle of these things. So yeah, wait a second with some magic. Wait a second, and sorry about the clap. It's not a great clap. So yeah, fuck that. Alright, so look at that. It's so beautiful. By the way. So good. It's so fucking good. Look at that. Wow. Wow, I cannot believe that. Like this is just a 20 like a $20 figure, but wait, I think I just put the wrong side. Wait a second. Oh no, 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 no. Alright, here we go. Look at that. Look at look at this figure. Look the Miku eyes. Look the Miku eyes. Oh fuck, she's so fucking cute. Right, that's it. This is my first unboxing video. I know I know it's not great, but yeah, maybe I can improve it more. But yeah, okay. So now let's enjoy B-roll that I shoot. All right, bye.